Just in the past week, Amazon quietly pushed a background system update to almost every device. And the scariest part? It reset some of the most critical privacy and performance settings on your Firestick without giving you a single notification. Most regular users will never even check their settings menu. So, what does this mean for you? It means that as of today, your device could be monitoring your every move, collecting your private data, eating up your already limited RAM, and even preparing to forcefully uninstall your favorite third-party streaming apps. That's exactly why, in today's video, I'm giving you the ultimate post-update checklist. I'll show you the hidden toggles every Firestick user needs to check immediately after any system update. If you want to stay ahead of the game and get these hard-to-find optimization secrets first, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. All right, let's dive right in. Before we start cleaning things up, we need to verify if your device got hit with this update. Grab your remote, navigate over to the gear icon on your home screen to open your settings. Scroll to the right, find My Fire TV. Click that, select About, and then scroll down to Check for Updates. If the right side of your screen shows a recent update history from the last few days, or if it's quietly downloading a patch in the background right now, you've been targeted. Make sure you follow my exact steps right now. Now, hit the back button on your remote to return to the main settings menu. Scroll left, find Preferences, and click into it. Our first line of defense is right here under Privacy Settings. Click that, and you'll see Amazon sneakily left all these toggles turned on by default. First up, interest-based ads. Turn this off immediately. When this is on, their background algorithms are constantly tracking what apps you open and what movies you search for, just to package that data and blast you with highly targeted junk ads. Right below that, you've got Collect App Usage Data and Device Usage Data. These two toggles are the prime suspects behind severe buffering and lag on older devices. While they are on, not only are they leaking your habits, but worse, they are constantly draining your CPU and RAM to secretly upload massive data packets to Amazon servers. For a streaming stick with very limited memory, this background data transfer is an absolute disaster. Turn both of these off without hesitation. If you also see an option for app sharing here, shut that off too. What you watch in the privacy of your own home is your business, and no corporate giant has the right to share it. With the privacy leaks plugged, hit the back button to return to the Preferences menu. Let's fix the next bottleneck, data monitoring. Scroll down, click on Data Monitoring, and make sure this is toggled off. This feature is supposed to track how much internet data you're using, but for those of us on unlimited home Wi-Fi, it is completely useless and just endlessly drains your system resources. Next, hit the back button again. We are going to fix that annoying issue that attacks your ears every single day. Still in the Preferences menu, look for Featured Content. You're going to see two options: Allow Video Autoplay and Allow Audio Autoplay. Have you ever had a mini heart attack when you just turn on the TV, not even sure what you want to watch yet, and a massive ad trailer just starts blasting through your speakers? It's not just loud automatically loading HD video the second you boot up massively, slows down your device's response time. Turn both of these off right now. Once they are off, you'll notice your home screen is instantly peaceful, clean, and your remote clicks will feel 10 times snappier. Finally, we need to disable the most dangerous and frustrating setting hidden in these updates. Hit the back button all the way to your main settings menu, find Applications, and click it. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and you will see an option called Auto Offload. You must turn this off immediately. Amazon claims this automatically cleans up unused apps to free up storage space. But the reality? The algorithm is notorious for deleting the wrong things. All those incredible third-party apps we worked so hard to sideload via downloader, those private players we use for live streams often get flagged as unused and are forcefully uninstalled. You paid hard-earned money for this device. You decide what stays on it, not an automated system. All right, with all of those settings turned off, you've just severed the majority of the background tracking, and you should feel a massive boost in speed right away. But honestly, this is only step one. We've all been there. You're streaming a movie just fine, but the second the weekend hits, or right when the big game is on, your screen just starts spinning and buffering endlessly. You might think your Firestick is broken or your internet just isn't fast enough. Wrong. What's actually happening is your ISP is actively throttling and blocking your streaming traffic behind the scenes. To permanently fix this ultimate headache and bypass those network blocks, changing a few menu settings isn't enough. We need to lock down your network at the root level. That's exactly why I built a highly private insider tech community just for the hardcore fans of this channel, so we can solve these problems together. As a huge thank you for your support, I've set up an exclusive giveaway for my subscribers: a free 1-month premium anti-throttling VPN node. Spots are highly limited, so click the link in the pinned comment down below and shoot me a direct message to claim yours right now. Let's kill that buffering for good and build the ultimate unrestricted home theater together.